Dead player, let him out.
Do you see one on the side?
Yeah, there's one down at the car,
Oh.
and then there's one on the electronics box right here.
There's one guy back there.
Hey, bro.
Huh?
We're just going. We're darting it.
Okay, well I'm injured.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Yeah, you guys can run. You guys got pistols.
Here we go.
There's one on the Conex box right there.
Yeah, they're on the.
They're right there.
They're all in the kill house too. Here, if you give us cover, we'll go. Hey, there we go. Hey, give us cover.
You guys want to go ahead? Go.
Wait, behind that Quanix box?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Where the guy just got out?
Yeah. Go ahead. Hey, he's still there. Hey, push him up.
I got this.
Hey, push up if you want. Hey, there's one at this car right here. Oh, he's out. He's out. Car right here. Green car. They're on the other side. That's our teammate. Yeah, okay, so. Up. Got some across the field.
What? Back here?
Hey Jake, you see anybody?
Hey, surrender. Okay, sorry. Oh, good. Just start cleaning out that way.
Dead player.
Cripple walk. Hey, don't blind fire, buddy. Surrender!
Bang bang! You're out. I got bang bang. You didn't get me. You did not get us underneath you.
You got me. You come on. Be a good sportsman. No, he's fine. This guy's fine. Yeah.
Come on out, let's go.
Cripple mode. You gotta walk up the boss. That's how I do it. So when you're trying to cripple nothing, that's all you gotta do.
Ow, that hurt. There's one right here.
You got one right there. Hey, he's over there. Hey, surrender. Oh. I thought he was waving his red flag.